my funny video where with the little bunny outfit and where I had Finn. I didn't say his name in there, but his name is Finn. And I use him as a girl and a boy, but this is Finn. And then I got Riri, but she's actually Rapunzel, but I call her Riri for a short name. And so this is Riri. She was like my little baby sister in the game, the little video, and this was my brother, Finn and Riri. They're twins, really. But in the video, Riri was older and Finn was just a little tiny baby still. So I actually have a new one coming into the thing. I got more than just these two. But I have a new one coming into our house, and it's in the package. I didn't even ask my mom for a new baby doll. And it's in a package in my room. I'm going to get my knife so we can open it. Oh, and it is in a cookie box for some reason. I don't know. My mom must have bought it, unpackaged it, put everything in it, and put it in one of her cookie boxes because they sell Girl Scout cookies. So let me go get my little thing really quick. So I'm back with a knife. Oh, as you're opening up the package, please ask your mother to help you with this. It has deep tape in it. Here's the box. Big box, guys. Big box. I'm talking real big. Okay. And my mother said she would get me a baby doll as I clean my room. So I got that deal. And I cleaned my room. And yeah. So let's see what baby doll I got. I don't know what it is. We got a rattle. Ooh, we got another little toy, shaker. We got a diaper. Apparently a little nappy. Love nappies. A little shirt. Now let's get to the baby doll. Bum, bum. Here she is. My mom must have put away her little bottle. This is her. Now she's cute. Now, this box is perfect for a crib. In the back room, I already have a baby crib, but I can make a baby crib out of this too. This way, I can make a better baby crib, and since the tape is in, do that. But it works as a perfect baby crib. So my baby has to sleep on my bed. This box works perfect. All I have to do is take this kid that box and then put this thing. I got a little play mat down there, and I got some diapers I bought. I'm getting my baby. And I'm just going to use a towel for her. It's a real towel. Don't mind. But I got this one this third, so don't think I like Ariel. I do. I do have this little thing I'll show you. Thing I love. I used to have a monkey of it. Okay, I'll show you it. And right now, here it is. It comes with a little blanket. And it's a little Ariel, and it comes with a little blanket, and it's a little baby. I do want an Ariel, like baby doll, like a Rapunzel doll I got, but I want one of her too. I used to like Rapunzel, now I don't. So let's get on her little outfit, and we'll start playing her, and in my next video, we'll start playing. Bang, right out. So I'll show you what her little outfit looks like. Let me get on her little clothes. And I'm just going to take off her clothes for bedtime. Then I'm going to go put that crib. I'm going to take that crib out. I'm not going to use that crib. I just use it for right now to look a little cool. Okay, let me get her set up. Oh, and I do have a lot of diapers for right away. In case you are thinking, does she have a lot of diapers? I hope she does. Her baby only came with one. Is you're thinking that? I do have a whole bunch of diapers. I use them for these little ones. This one is not wearing one right now, or Rapunzel. But look at her. She's finished, dressed. Oh, and I do have a lot of baby clothes, so don't worry. I got a monitor and stuff. So this is what she looks like. I just need to find some hair accessories because her hair is so short. Look. All I can really do with her hair. Oh, and if you have one that looks like this, please comment down below. Because I really need somebody who has one of these. I don't know what to do with her. I don't even know.